Oh,
Yan lang lulutuin yun eh.
baka yung customer na magluluto.
Bottom the customer.
There's none. It's 0. No, Ate Dong didn't give you yet.
All they done.
Julie, pick up on that.
Asus.
Hey, Jelana, I'm gonna put these back.
Itapon ko na nga itong socks na ito, madam. Maluwag na lock.
Well, I just want. I'll take one. Are you all
There's
done
none,
with these?
Julene.
You're done with these, Jelana?
Akit na tayo. No.
Ay!
Yeah.
Voice record.
No. No, she's not gonna give you money now.
You're not playing with Abby.
I am. Ito na yung customer. I am a customer. I want food. Magluto muna ka ng hotdog.
Lo. There's a process.
How you do it?
Eh,
You have to put it here. Papoy?
Lo.
Ang sakit mo naman magsalita.
Di mauntog sa upuan.
Ay, Jelana, this go there. Cause for the customer. Not for you.
Baliktad nga eh. Baliktad.
Kasi yung paglagyan.
The customer.
Adi ko man eh. Paglagyan lang lulutuin niya sa...
Baliktad. Baliktad lahat yan.
Jelana, it's like this. No, that's not how you do it.
Yeah, pabayaan nyo na.
That's not how you do it.
Balik na.
Yeah, that's for your...
Baliktad yan.
Cooking. Are you the customer?
Baliktad yung lutuan.
The customer? Yeah, no.
Alabog lang ha. Diyos ko.
Sige.
Mm.
Yeah. I don't want to. Yeah.
Lo.
Cook na. Customer, cook your own order. Talk to her. Who's customer?
Me.
Okay, cook your own food. Because there's the oven is right there. So
Balik.
how you do it?
Baliktad nga to kasi ng pangalan eh. Oh. Tapos andito yung lutuan. Hindi, tapos lutuan eh. Hindi, magluluto ka, baliktad din.
Ano ba yan? I fix it. No, that's not how you do it. Do it.
Lo. No.
Ayun mo. Grandma!
That's your mom.
Jelana, she's gonna customer give you money.
Oh, I don't have money.
Okay, how am I cooking this?
She need to cook there.
Back. I got my money.
Wait! No, Lily. Thanks, Lily.
Read the direction. The pizza. Oh, she want pizza. Ate Dong wants pizza. See. Ala. Ulo. Uy.
Nasabi ko lang eh. Oh.
It's not funny kung na.
No, that's not how you do it.
I have my money.
Oh, ito yung oven eh.
Huwag ka na may nga. Nandiyan din lutuan. Oh. Lo.
Ano ba yan?
Yung mga customer ko. Ano yung customer? Jelana, huwag kang ganyan. Bakit?
High blood yun.
Bakit ganyan na si...
Can I have hot dog? Wait.
Hindi pa siya ready.
Do that.
No, they're customer. They don't need to cook.
Yeah, you're the one cooking.
I'll do it.
No, you have to do it.
Oh.
Like how? Give me my plate. No, you're not trying to do it.
I'm double decker. With onion rings.
Hi, what do you want?
Hi, can I have a hot
So
dog?
she's the customer.
Hi, can I have one hot dog and a beef taco and with ice cream, please?
Baliktad!
Huwag ka
And
na.
can I have some water too, please?
There's no water.
Yes, there is right there.
Oh, that's a milk.
Nagluluto na siya ng hotdog. Can you read that for me? Distilled water.
Oh, okay. Distilled.
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 Distilled.